you too.
Look, look, look! The little elephant comes with instructions. The instructions say that she's a magic grow elephant.
Ooh!
To grow big, she has to eat 3 special snacks. What's the special snack? Peanuts, yes! Magic peanuts!
Whoa!
Neat. Listen, that sounds like big elephants. The big elephants are getting their faces painted.
Cool! The sign says that there's going to be a special parade today. An elephant parade!
Wow!
Little Elephant wants to be in the parade too. She wants to get her face painted and march with the big elephants.
Oh no! Little elephant isn't allowed to go with the other elephants.
To be in the parade, elephants have to be taller than that line. Is Little Elephant taller than that line? No, she's too little. It's not safe for her to march with the big elephants.
Poor little elephant. She sounds so sad. She really wanted to be in the parade.
If only there was a way to make Little Elephant grow bigger.
Wait! There is something. Remember, we can feed little elephant a special snack that will make her grow.
What's the special snack? Peanuts! Yes!
Yay! Little elephant is so excited. Now she can grow big and be in the elephant parade.
Uh-oh! Something is happening to the magic peanuts.
They're bouncing away. Oh no! The magic peanuts are gone.
Now Little Elephant can't grow big and be in the parade.
But look! Little elephant isn't giving up. She wants us to help her find the magic peanuts.